Welcome again to my channel. Now, pag-uusapan natin ngayon for UCSP is about theories. So, the first two theories na pag-uusapan muna natin, medyo magkasalungat sila sa isa't isa. This is from Ralph Dahrendorf. The first one is consensus theory and the second one is the conflict theory. What is consensus theory? Consensus is a concept of society in which the absence of conflict is seen as the equilibrium state of society based on the general or widespread agreement among all members of a particular society. So kung intindi natin ito, sinasabi lang dito, kapag meron tayong consensus theory, all members of the society is nagkakasundo-sundo. So walang away-away, which nangyayari naman talaga yan sa panahon natin. Yung kabalitaran naman niya is the conflict theory. It emphasizes the dominance of some social groups by other, sees social order as based on manipulation and control by dominant groups, and in a disorderly fashion as subordinate groups overthrow dominant group. Conflict theories examine conflict of interest and the coercion that hold the society together in the face of distresses. Kung makita natin, wala talagang bagay na laging smooth. Laging merong mga away kasi nga laging may nangunguna, 'di ba? Kaya nga sa classroom natin, 'di ba? Pagpasok natin sa school, first week pala makakaroon na ng election, so may conflict agad kung sino isipin natin na magiging class president, vice president, and so on. Another thing about the conflict. So in reality, conflict theory contributes to the unequal distribution of people into jobs in society so that more powerful members of the society maintain the best position and the less powerful group, often women, racial, and ethnic group, often minority groups, are allocated into low ranks in the society. Kasi nga, sa nangyari na ngayon, di ba, kapag ikaw yung nasa grupo na mas kukonti kayo o hindi kayo ganun kalakas, na ipag-iiwanan kayo. Kaya nga kung makikita nyo ngayon politically, may nag-aaway, it's either dilawan ka ba or DDS. Kung sinong nasa pwesto, syempre siya mas malakas. So ganun talaga, kapag nasa posisyon din, di ba, nag-a-apply ka, hindi rin pare-pareho ang mga chances matatanggap kayo kasi syempre kung sino mas magaling, kung sinong mas marami ang mga experiences, mas madali siya matanggap. So, kung pagsasama-samahin natin, ang idea ng consensus is a general or widespread agreement among all members of our particular society, while a conflict is a clash between ideas, principles of mga tao. Now let's go to another theory. This is functionalist theory in social dimensions. So, structural functionalism from Talcott Parson. So, sabi dito, a theory which believes that society is made of constitutions working together in cooperation. The structure nito is the society is made up of systems. Function, we act and perform our roles based on these systems. And the result, dahil nga yung tao ginagawa niya ang kanyang trabaho kung anong function niya sa isang society natin, at sinusunod natin kung anong structure, ang result is nagkakaroon ng interdependence, cooperation, equilibrium, or consensus. Another type of theory is the interactionist theories in social dimension. So this is symbolic interactionism from Charles Cooley. So this is a theory that believes that people in the society which take others into consideration and decide if and how to fit their activities to others. Interactionists involve thinking because it will define who you are. You cautiously act and speak to be in. Parang looking glass self, sabi dito. We see ourselves as others see us. So parang kung ano man gagawin natin, inisip natin, ano ba kaya itsura natin sa paningin nila? So, one example is kissing. So, sabi dito, kissing means to show affection. So, you won't kiss everybody in the lips to show affection. You will think as much before you kiss anyone. Kasi nga hindi naman talaga, although nakikita natin ibang mga tao, nagbebeso-beso pa rin, pagdating sa'yo, magbebeso-beso ka ba agad kung di mo naman sila kilala? 'Di ba? Kaya ano ba ang dating sa'yo? Mamaya isipin nila manyak ka pa. Kaya tingnan mo muna looking glass. Okay, the last one is interactionist theory. This is from Mead. So it is also called the non-symbolic interactionism. This is a theory which believes that we learn things by observing how other people respond to them, and that is through social interaction. Communication without the use of higher thinking. So, kasi nga ano lang tayo titingin lang tayo kung ano ginagawa nila, gagayahin na rin natin. So, for example, shaking of hands. So, dahil dito, parang nagigets mo na kapag nag-shake ka ng hands, parang nagkakaintindihan sila. So, they will have an agreement. So, you can shake everybody's hand without even further thinking na, tama ba ginagawa ko mali? Di ba pag nagkita kayo may na-meet kayo isang tao, nakipagkamay, di na yun na, okay na siya. Parang it's already accepted na parang tinatanggap ninyo ang isa't isa. So, that's my topic for today about theories sa mga UCSP. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in my next topic.